Hello JEE aspirants, welcome back to Cutoff 360. So in this video we'll be discussing in detail about the top 45 most repeated questions that you need to practice for the session 2 exam day. If you are appearing for the session 2, you need to check this 45 question out and it will surely help you. This question has been prepared based on the 5 years trends along with the session 1 difficulty level. So we have differentiated for both 15 question for each physics, chemistry and mathematics, and there's a full clickable sheet also, and how you can access to this get access to this particular question paper we will show you throughout the video. So make sure you stick till the end of this video, as it is going to be very informative, and it will surely help you to enhance your overall preparation for the JEE Main 2026 session 2 exam. So make sure you get access to the clickable online question paper that we are going to highlight it in this video. So make sure you stay tuned till the end. So as you can see on the screen, this is the 45 most important, we can say most repeated questions from the past 3 years trends that we have analyzed, including the session 1 exam. We have prepared this question with very detailed analysis so that you get more accurate and precise question that you are able to solve for the session 2 exam. And if you are appearing for JEE Main session 2, then make sure you have access to this particular paper. How you are going to access to this paper, stay tuned for a while. We will explain the process. There is no big process, just a small one, and you will easily get access to this paper. And how to use this paper, I'll show you in the complete video. So first you need to understand this is a solvable paper, which means you can easily read the question, answer any question. If the answer is correct, you will be getting an indication that this particular answer is correct, and if suppose the answer is wrong, you will get an update for the same. Let's say if we scroll down, and as you can see there is a modern physics question. So the workforce of a metal is 4.2 ev if light of a frequency is 1.5. So this is the question. So what is the right answer for it? Let's say if I mark it as C. If I mark it as C, and this, if C is the wrong answer, then the correct answer is 2.0 ev, right? So what you will get in this particular sheet? So first you will get the question, you will get the topic, which topic this question belongs to, and you will get the difficulty level of the question, on how difficult the question is, and based on that you can analyze and spend time on it. For example, right now, if this question is moderate, and if you have spent, let's say 5 minutes or 2 minutes or 3 minutes, based on that you can analyze your how you have prepared, and based on that you can take some decision in enhance the efficiency and timing of that solving that particular question from that particular topic. So there's explanation also that you will find on what is the right answer and how the 2.0 ev is accomplished. In the same way, if we scroll down more, there is a question based on nuclei. So if I mark it as B, again you can see the answer. If I'm marking all these answer, I'm marking it wrong, because you understand how the paper is solvable. You can click it. It's not that you just need to read the question, you need to just write on the paper. It is a full-fledged solvable paper which you can access it. You can easily get access to this particular question paper without any very difficult task or any performing any difficult. First of all, I'll highlight two things. If we are reaching almost 100 comments in the comment section, then we'll be giving access to this particular sheet on the description directly. Until we reach 100, if you think that you want this like you need access to this particular sheet quickly, what you need to do is you need to comment yes in the comment section and subscribe to the channel. These two things need to at least match. If you, for example, if you subscribe but forget to comment, then this process won't be valid. You need to first comment yes, then subscribe the channel. This is the two. Then after doing these two process, I'll be adding a Google form in it, where you need to enter your name and email ID on which you want to receive this question, like this particular HTML based question paper. So for example, not only yours, any email ID. It's just about sending. It's just all about sending it to you through any channel. So email ID, currently I'm finding it more viable. So you can add your email ID, and then you within 5 minutes will try to, because as the exam is near and it's almost starts from April 2nd. So we'll try to send it ASAP. Within 5 to 10 minutes only, our team will try to send you the access to this particular question paper. So as you can see, there is question on atoms Bohr's model. So the wavelength of second line of Balmer series. So what will be the right answer for it? So it will be 486.1 nm. So it is a scoring. It is a scoring topic which you can see on the screen currently, and we have marked the same along with the question and the topic it belongs to. Then you will find another question on in the circuit shown EMF is equal to 12 volts. So this particular question belongs to current electricity, and we have marked it as tough because most of the students in the previous years were finding it difficult. Like, not they were able to solve it, but it is based on the timing also, how quickly they are able to solve it. So it is a tough question because it was taking some time. That is the reason why we have marked it as tough. Like next, if we move ahead, you will find a question on electrostatics, EMI, ray optics. So all these question has been prepared based on the previous year's trends for both, like all physics, chemistry and maths. As you can see, we have separate, like as you scroll down, we have separated it in a 15-15 manner. Means 15 question from physics, 15 question from chemistry, 15 question from maths. And if you are able to solve these questions, we can guarantee you that at least you can get a very good marks in JEE Main 2026 exam. Also, if you see on the top, we have divided it into subject wise, like physics, chemistry and mathematics. So whichever section you feel you want to practice right now, you can select and start with your practice process. Also, if you want to reset, like after answering all the question, if you want to reset and practice it again, then there's a reset button over here which you can click and reset. So like if you see definite integrals, there is one question which is considered tough, so the right answer will be C for it. And how the C has appeared, like why the C is the correct answer, there is a explanation for it. So if you are appearing for, again I'm repeating it and multiple time I have repeated, if you are appearing for this session 2 exam, then you need to ensure that you have access to this particular sheet, as it will help you to get a lot of last minute practice questions which most of the people look across different YouTube channels. So if you scroll down, डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का यहाँ पे है, यहाँ का आंसर बी होगा, हाउ द बी इज, देन द होल एक्सप्लेनेशन इज देयर. इफ़ यू स्क्रॉल मोर, 3D ज्योमेट्री. पहले मैं एक चीज़ क्लियर कर दे रहा हूँ, यू डोंट हैव टू पे. यहाँ पे कोई पेमेंट नहीं करना, इट इज़ कम्प्लीटली फ्री. दिस होल शीट इज़ कम्प्लीटली फ्री. यू डोंट हैव टू पे एनीथिंग. जस्ट you need to comment yes, subscribe the channel and send me a particular email ID where we can send you the link of this particular question paper. It is a clickable, means you need to have access to the internet, then only you will be able to access this particular sheet, because it opens in the Google Chrome or any of the Safari or any web browser. So first thing is that. Second, if you get confused, you can question like how you can avail this particular sheet. Still I'm saying you can ask in the comment box and our team will be replying for the same. But if you are appearing for session 2, don't miss this. So there is question from 3D geometry. If you mark any wrong answer, then you will get the correct answer, and why the answer was wrong, you will get explanation for that as well. Like vectors pe we have provided questions, matrices and determinants pe we have provided question, conic section. So all this is based on previous year's expected number of questions from different topics, along with the type of question which is expected to appear. We can say this is a predicted questions for session 2 exam. So if you are appearing, make sure you have access to this sheet. If you feel confused with anything, make sure to comment down your question in the comment section.